Welcome to day 6. For today's project, I wanted to show you how to make this easy melted snowman craft. You need bottles of water, curling ribbon, clear tape, double-sided tape, scissors, a paper trimmer, and water bottle labels. I made these labels using Photoshop, but you can find free printables by doing a Google search. I printed these on white paper and will use my double-sided tape to attach them to red cardstock. Trim everything down and use more double-sided tape to add the label to the outside of the bottle. Add some curling ribbon and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.